How to make an area system in Roblox Studio. Create a part. This part is for detecting players entering the area. Make it transparent. Set can collide to false and anchored to true. Add two string attributes. Name them area name for the area name and area description for the area description. You can write the name and description of the area as you like. Add sound to the area part and name it Area Ambient. Go to the toolbox, select the sound you want, right-click and copy Asset ID. Go back to the sound, paste it to Sound ID and press Enter. Once finished, right-click the part, group as folder, and name them Area Regions. Create a GUI. Add a screen GUI to Starter GUI and name it Area GUI. Add a canvas group. We use this instead of frames to easily manage the transparency of the entire project. Add two text labels. Name it Title for the area name and Description for the area description. Once finished, adjust group transparency to 1 to hide the GUI. Add a remote event to the replicated storage and name it Area Event. Add a script to Server Script Service. Writing the script. This script detects when a player enters or leaves an area and sends the area's name, description, and sound to the client. Set up services and variables. When player touches an area, finds which player touched the area, ensures it's a real player, not just a random object. Get area data. Reads information from the part. This prevents the event from spamming when the player is already inside the area. Updates the player's current area and sends info to UI. When player leaves the area, clears saved area and sends empty data to client. Loops through every area part. Detects entering and leaving. Removes player data when they leave the game. Add a local script to the canvas group in the GUI. Writing the script. This script displays area information with smooth UI fade animations and plays ambient sound when the player enters or leaves an area. Set up services and UI. Create a local ambient sound that will play when entering an area. Define smooth animations for both the UI and the sound. Store the current area and hide the UI at the start. Waits for the server to send area info. Handles exiting an area. Reset area name and fade out sound. When leaving, smoothly hide the UI and stop the sound. Ignore the event if the player is already in the same area. Updates displayed information. Sets the area name and description. Fade in the UI in so it looks smooth and professional. Play ambient sound. Only plays sound if the area has one. Switch to a new sound or restart the current one. Hides UI after 4 seconds. After a few seconds, the UI fades out automatically. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.